Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we had pretty much sideways motion yesterday. We have got a bit of a rally forming right now, and we have broken through two levels, and I suspect the next level is what we should be aiming for. So I just want to use this one up to there. And the other thing that we are going to pay attention to today is the Fibonacci. So there is our leg down. We're coming up into this area, and notice that this level here at 13,378 is right at the 61.8 Fibonacci. I'll just pay attention to that. Let's get down to the levels we want to trade today, and here you can see, let's just get this level also out of the way. Here is our first level, here is our second level, and I will look at that one on the hour. It does look like a bit of a wedge forming. This is the important one at the moment. That's a 61.8, so that's 13,378. Look at the oscillators. They are rising. They have separated. So if they cross over when they separated like that, your next leg starts. Now, this is a fairly straightforward setup that is brewing. No rocket science here. That is kind of the setup that is brewing at the moment. So looking for 12,642. If we just get to the 1 hour, you'll see yesterday big down, big up, sideways, and then in the US session it sort of kind of tried to rally a little bit. Nothing really earth-shattering here indicating that there's a potential bottom. This is just a retracement for me. And look at the oscillators, all grouped tightly to the upside. So this is what I am looking for, and I'm just going to let's rather just put a second level in. Sorry, I was going to move it. There is a swing low there which could be affect price, and then there's another one which is really strong up there. So those are my three levels that we need to pay attention to. Nice thing about this is the 61.8. Your stop is 300 points. It's above the previous high here, and then you're looking for a strong move down. What you could also do is just place your stop above 13,500 area, I would say, maybe 13,520 or something like that. That would give you a good opportunity to get a reasonably decent trade in. But I don't even think it's going to get that high. So you've got the 155 EMA here as well, which is going to offer resistance. You've got these three areas of potential resistance here. And then the other thing that you do have is top of wedge at the moment, and you can see there's our wedge there. So I suspect a bit of choppiness, and then either we're going to reject in this area or we're coming up to this area. This makes a lot of sense up here, somewhere into this 13,378 area. Be ready. If it doesn't fall, if it doesn't actually get there, then you need to just be paying attention, because we are fairly close to something brewing at the moment. So that is on the 15-minute, and you can see 15-minute really messy, basically formed a triangle for most of the day, and then late in the session got away from us during a public holiday. So, well, public holiday in the US. That's nothing to read into that for me anyway. I would expect pull back down to this level again. If you find support here, and possibly a move to the upside, but I'm more paying attention to the bigger move here on the hour. So looking for a move up into this area for an opportunity to short. If we don't get there, then I'm looking for structure on the hour, indicating that we have a potential reversal coming, and then we are paying attention to the bottom of the wedge, because our measured move is a fairly decent one from the bottom of the wedge. It's a 400-point risk to 490 point gain. But if we play it really tight, you're probably going to get something along the lines of a 100-point gain to a 600-point 100-point risk to 600-point gain. So a 6-to-1 trade. Okay, so that's kind of my view this morning. Pay very close attention to these levels here. It may not get there, may actually just sort itself out over here, or what could happen is you could have this just form a channel, and that channel comes straight up into this area here. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. Waiting for the opportunity to short this, and it's looking like it's going to be very, very interesting. interesting today. 13,400 area is what we're looking for. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.